Hi Sarah, it's been a while since we had a good chat.
Hi Ollie, yes, it has. How have you been?
I've been good, just busy with work. How about you?
Same here. Work has been hectic, but I'm managing. Have you had any interesting projects lately?
Actually, yes. I'm working on a new marketing campaign for a big client. It's challenging but exciting.
That sounds amazing. I know you enjoy those kinds of challenges. Do you get to be creative with it?
Definitely. We've been brainstorming some unique ideas to really make the campaign stand out. It's fun to think outside the box.
That's great to hear. I remember the last campaign you worked on was a big success. I'm sure this one will be too.
Thanks, Sarah. I appreciate your confidence in me. What about you? Any exciting news on your end?
Well, I'm planning a small trip with my family next month. We're going to the northern areas to enjoy the scenic beauty and relax a bit.
That sounds wonderful. The northern areas are beautiful. Which places are you planning to visit?
We're thinking of visiting Hunza, Skardu, and possibly Fairy Meadows. I've heard so much about these places and can't wait to see them.
Those are some of the most breathtaking places. You'll have an amazing time. Make sure to take lots of pictures.
I will, for sure. Do you have any travel plans coming up?
Not really. I've been so busy with work that I haven't had time to plan anything. But I'm hoping to take a break soon and maybe visit the mountains.
That sounds like a good idea. Everyone needs a break now and then. The mountains can be so refreshing.
Absolutely. It's good to disconnect and recharge. Speaking of which, how do you unwind after a long day at work?
I usually read a book or watch a movie. Sometimes I go for a walk in the park. It helps clear my mind.
That sounds nice. I've been trying to read more lately. Any book recommendations?
Yes, I just finished reading The Alchemist by Paulo Coelho. It's an inspiring read. You should check it out.
I've heard a lot about that book. I'll definitely add it to my reading list. Thanks for the recommendation.
You're welcome. What about movies? Have you watched anything interesting lately?
I watched Inception last weekend. It's a mind-bending film. Have you seen it?
Yes, I have. It's one of my favorites. The concept is so unique, and the visuals are stunning.
I agree. It's a film that really makes you think. I might watch it again to catch all the details.
That's a good idea. Sometimes you notice things you missed the first time around.
Exactly. By the way, have you tried any new hobbies recently?
I've started learning how to cook different cuisines. It's been a fun and tasty adventure.
That sounds like a delicious hobby. Any favorite recipes so far?
I tried making Thai green curry last week. It turned out pretty good. I'm planning to try a new dish every week.
That's impressive. I might have to come over for a taste test sometime.
You're always welcome, Ollie. It would be fun to have a cooking session together.
I'd love that. Maybe we can plan it soon.
Definitely. Let's keep in touch and make it happen.